Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something honestly. How long will you wait before you change your life? How many times have you told yourself, I will start tomorrow? And what if I tell you that tomorrow never comes? What if your biggest problem is not your English, not your skills, but your habit of waiting? Today, I will show you a simple truth that can change everything. If you start now, your life can change. If you keep waiting, nothing will change. So stay with me till the end, because this video might be the moment your life finally moves forward. Chapter 1. This is the story of a boy named Ion, a simple student who had a big dream but a bigger problem. He wanted to speak English confidently, but every single day he delayed starting. Every morning he told himself, I will start today. But by night, he said, I will start tomorrow. This cycle continued again and again. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months, but nothing changed. Inside, he felt frustrated. He saw other students speaking English, improving, and moving forward, while he stayed in the same place. This made him feel weak and left behind. But the truth was simple and painful. He was not stuck because English was hard. He was stuck because he never started. His mind always gave him excuses. You are not ready. Your grammar is weak. People will laugh. These thoughts felt real, but they were just fear. His brain wanted comfort, not growth. One day, his teacher asked a simple question in English. Ayan knew the answer, but he stayed silent. His heart was beating fast, but his voice did not come out. Someone else answered, and the class moved on. That moment hurt him deeply. He realized something powerful. Staying silent was more painful than making mistakes. That day, he went home and sat quietly. He asked himself one honest question. How long will I stay like this? That question hit him hard. For the first time, he understood that waiting was not safe. Waiting was slowly destroying his confidence. And at that moment, something small but powerful changed inside him. Chapter 2. That night, Ayan could not sleep. The question kept repeating in his mind. How long will I stay like this? He turned on his phone and started searching for ways to improve English. He watched many videos, but most of them felt difficult and confusing. Then he found one simple video where a teacher said, You don't need perfect English to start, you need courage to begin. That line stopped him. He watched the video again and again. Something inside him started to feel different. For the first time, he felt that maybe he could try. The next morning, he stood in front of the mirror. His heart was beating fast. He looked at himself and tried to speak. My name is Ayan. His voice was slow and weak. He felt strange. He almost laughed at himself. For a moment, he wanted to stop, but then he remembered his pain from yesterday. He remembered how he stayed silent in class. That memory gave him strength. He tried again. My name is Ayan. This time, it was a little better. Not perfect, but better. That small improvement gave him a strange happiness. It was his first real step. That day, he made a simple rule. Speak English for 5 minutes daily. No excuses. In the evening, he tried again. He made many mistakes. He forgot words. He stopped in the middle of sentences, but he did not quit. His younger sister saw him and smiled. She said, You sound funny, but good. That made him laugh. For the first time, he was not afraid of mistakes. He was trying, and trying felt powerful. Chapter 3. Days started passing, and Ion followed his small rule every day. 5 minutes of speaking English. At first, it felt easy, but soon the real challenge began. Some days, his mind went blank. He forgot simple words. He made the same mistakes again and again. This frustrated him deeply. One evening, he tried to speak, but he could not complete even one sentence properly. He felt angry and disappointed. He looked at himself in the mirror and said, "Maybe I can't do this." That old voice of doubt returned again. It was strong. It told him to stop. But then he remembered something important. When he did not try, he felt worse. When he tried, even with mistakes, he felt a little better. That thought stopped him from quitting. The next day at school, something unexpected happened. A few classmates noticed his practice. One of them laughed and said, "Why are you speaking like that? Your English is so broken." That moment hurt him badly. His confidence dropped again. He stayed quiet for the rest of the day. At night, he thought about quitting everything. He felt embarrassed and tired. But then his sister came and said, "You are improving. I can see it." Those simple words gave him strength again. He decided to continue. Slowly, he started noticing small changes. He could speak longer than before. His sentences were still not perfect, but they were clearer. One day, he recorded his voice and listened to it. For the first time, he noticed improvement. It was small, but real. That moment gave him hope. He realized something powerful. Progress is slow, but it is happening. Chapter 4. Ayan's journey was slowly changing, but the real turning point was still ahead. One day, while practicing, he decided to record a full 1-minute video of himself speaking English. It sounded like a big task. His heart started beating fast again. He tried once but stopped in the middle. He tried again but forgot his words. He tried again and again, almost 10 times. Each time he felt tired and frustrated. His mind told him, "This is too hard, just stop." But this time, something was different. He did not listen to that voice. He took a deep breath and said, "One more try." On the next attempt, he spoke slowly. He made mistakes. He paused, but he did not stop. After 1 full minute, he finally finished. He looked at the timer and felt surprised. He actually did it. It was not perfect, but it was complete. That moment felt powerful. It gave him a new level of confidence. The next day, he decided to show that video to his English teacher. His hands were shaking while showing it. The teacher watched quietly and then smiled. He said, "This is real progress. Keep going." Those words felt like fuel. Ayan felt proud for the first time. From that day, he started practicing smarter. He spoke in front of the mirror, recorded daily, and listened carefully to his mistakes. Slowly, his sentences became smoother. Fear was still there, but it was weaker now. He understood one important truth. Confidence did not come before action. It came because of action. And now, he was ready for a bigger challenge. Chapter 5. Ayan's confidence was no longer the same as before. He was still not perfect, but he was no longer afraid of trying. One day, his teacher announced a class speaking activity where every student had to speak in English for 2 minutes in front of everyone. Normally, this would have scared him deeply, but this time, he felt something different inside. It was not full confidence, but it was courage. When his turn came, his heart started beating fast again, but he did not step back. He walked slowly in front of the class. For a moment, his mind went blank. Old fear tried to return. But he took a deep breath and started speaking. His sentences were not perfect. He paused many times, but he continued. Something surprising happened. No one laughed. The class listened quietly. When he finished, there was a small clap from a few students. That moment felt huge to him. It was not about applause. It was about winning against fear. After class, one student came and said, "You improved a lot." That simple sentence made him smile for the whole day. At home, he told his sister about it, and she was proud of him. Even his parents noticed a change in him. He was more active, more confident, and more positive. he realized something very important. Every small effort he made every day was now turning into real results. He was not the same boy who used to stay silent in class. Now he was speaking, trying, and growing. And deep inside, he knew one thing clearly. This was just the beginning of his real transformation. Chapter 6. Ayan's journey had completely changed him, but the final truth was still waiting to be understood. One evening, after returning from school, he sat quietly and thought about everything that had happened. He remembered the days when he used to stay silent, the fear he used to feel, and the moments when he almost gave up. Now everything felt different. He asked himself a deep question: what really changed me? And the answer was simple. It was not talent. It was not luck. It was action. He started when he was scared, and that changed everything. Many people in his class were still the same, still waiting for the perfect time, still saying, I will start tomorrow. But Ayan now understood something very powerful. Tomorrow never changes anything, only today does. If you act today, your future begins to change slowly. If you wait, your life stays the same. This is the real truth most people never realize. Fear will never fully disappear. Doubt will always come and go. But action is what builds confidence. Not thinking, not planning, only action. AN was once the quietest student in class, but now he could speak without fear. Not because fear was gone, but because he learned to move with fear. And this is the message for you watching this story right now. If you want to improve your English, your confidence, or your life, you don't need a perfect moment. You just need to start. Speak one sentence today. Make one small effort today. Because one day, you will realize that your entire life changed from the moment you stopped waiting and started acting. Now it's your turn. Don't just watch this story, learn from it, and take action today. Write one English sentence in the comments right now. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more simple English learning and motivational stories like this. Remember, your future is decided by what you do today, not tomorrow. Start now or stay the same forever.